Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you an important information about 5G. Everything you need to know is right here. Stay connected. In telecommunication, 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It's a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, devices, computers, and many more things. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi gigabits peak data speed, ultra low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and more uniform user experience to more users. 5G technology is based on OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, a method of modulating a digital signal across several different channels to reduce interference. 5G is also using 5G NR air interface alongside OFDM principles. In addition to that, 5G has also adopted a new digital technology called Massive MIMO, which stands for Multiple Input, Multiple Output, that improves coverage, speed, and capacity. Let's talk about its previous generations. First generation introduced in 1980, delivered analog voice. Second generation introduced in early 1990s, brought digital voice. Third generation introduced in early 2000, presented mobile data. Fourth generation introduced in 2010, 4G directed in the age of mobile broadband. It's also called LTE. And now we are moving towards 5G. 5G will impact every industry, making safer transportation, remote healthcare, precision agriculture, digitized logistics, robots, satellites, artificial intelligence, and many more. Broadly speaking, 5G is used across three main types of connected services. For example, enhanced mobile broadband, mission critical communications, and massive Internet of Things. Let's talk about 5G speed. 5G is designed to deliver peak data rates up to 20 gigabits per second based on IMT 2020 requirements. Qualcomm Technologies flagship 5G solution and Snapdragon X65 are designed to achieve up to 10 gigabits in downlink peak data rates. For example, to download a 2-hour movie on a 3G, it would take about 26 hours. On 4G, it would be 6 minutes. But on 5G, this would take only 3.5 seconds. Unbelievable, just imagine how fast it is. Higher performance and improved efficiency will empower new user experience and it will connect new enterprises. Industrial automation, traffic signals, pedestrians, smart cities, virtual network would also be boosted from 5G. Let's talk about frequency. 5G uses wider bandwidth technologies such as sub-6 GHz, mm wave, and microwave. Unlike 4G, which requires large high-power cell towers to radiate signal over longer distances, 5G wireless signals are transmitted through large number of small cell stations located in places like light poles or building roofs. Use of multiple small cells is necessary because of millimeter wave spectrum. The band of wave spectrum is between 30 and 300 GHz that 5G relies on to generate high speeds, but this frequency in 4G was below 6 GHz. MM wave can only travel over a short distance and is subject to interference from weather and physical obstacles like buildings and trees. Another significant hurdle in the way of 5G is cost. Network operators would need to tear up their current business model to adopt 5G technology. Different approaches have been tackled regarding how to get around these issues. Let's talk about latency, which means time delay, is extremely critical. 4G latency is under 50 milliseconds, which means it takes that amount of time for information to travel between sender and receiver. 5G latency is expected to reach 1 milliseconds, 400 times faster than a blink of an eye. For example, self-driving cars need a constant stream of data. As much quicker information is delivered to the autonomous vehicle, the better and safer they can run. With the help of 5G, cars would be able to talk to each other to prevent collision. Network slicing technique would also provide a customized web experience to users. It's a way of building a separate wireless network on the cloud, enabling users to create their own custom-made network. For example, online gamer needs a faster response time and greater data capacity to play a game. Combination of high speed and lower latency is perfect for virtual reality and augmented reality. This combination will also create the potential for larger amounts of data to be transmitted. Alright, so the important question is when we are gonna use 5G. Well, it's on the way. 5G is already here. Global operators started launching new 5G networks in early 2019. Wireless network operator in 4 countries, United States, South Korea, Japan and China, are largely driving fast 5G build out. According to some experts, by the end of 2025, half of mobile connection in US would be on 5G, and by the end of 2030, everyone around the world hopefully would have 5G connection. But you will need to have a smartphone that supports 5G if you want to use 5G network. For example, smartphones powered by Snapdragon are 5G compatible. Alright, so the bottom line is in the future everything is going to be transformed by 5G and it will deliver up to 1000 times more capacity than 4G. Okay, so this wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.